Balik ta diri sa GMA Regional TV Live ug karong buntaga atong ila-ilahon ang usa ka Pomeranian nga midaog sa usa ka prestihiyosong dog show sa tibuok kalibutan.
Best of breed, gini ang naangkon ka international title sa usa ka Pomeranian dog nga ginganlan og Lucky. Feeling lucky si Ma'am Jaclyn Claire Limtin-Buendia sa iyang fur pet nga 2 anyos. Si Lucky ang mi-standout sa 94 ka mga Pomeranians ato sa World Dog Show Grand Prix de Geneve 2023 nga gipahigayon sa Switzerland. This morning, ato siyang ibida kauban ang iyang fur mom.
And we have with us this morning, Ma'am Jaclyn Claire Limtin-Buendia and Sir Romeo Buendia. And of course, ang ato ang cute kayo nga dog nga si Lucky. Good morning and pakigreet sa ato ang mga viewers.
Good morning, mga kapuso.
Okay. First of all, akong i-throw ang question kang Ma'am Jaclyn. Ma'am, pwede nimo ma-share unsa ning pasidungog nga nadawat ni Lucky?
Ang pasidungog na atong nadawat ni Lucky was didto ni siya sa Geneva, Switzerland and sa World Dog Show, and then we were so happy for this because this is the first time that we went there for the biggest show in the world, and then for a Filipino dog nga ma-recognize siya dito sa lain nga lugar, I mean sa Switzerland, yes.
Dako gyud kayo
yes,
siya nga
dako
pasidungog.
siya nga show, yeah.
And also, this is the first Philippine-born na nakakuha og kuan.
Ingon
na award.
award.
Kay usually man gud sa mag-import sa ubang nasod din ana. Yeah. So luckily, sa nga na lucky naka-breed me og Philippine-born jud. Yeah, napa kuan.
For the year 2023, kita mo'y first nga Philippine-born dog nga nakadaog sa World Dog Show.
Pero we're just curious, ma'am, unsay basihan? Unsay paagi sa pagpili kining makuan kag title nga best of breed?
Ang basihan ani is for the closest to the breed type confirmation of the dog. So naama na siya gitawag nga for kanang pinaka-closest sa iyang kanang kuan sa iyang breed type. So siya ang murag napili, although daghan sila, but there are a lot of categories man good, like for example for the temperament, for the balance of the dog, may ingon ana. So apil ang teeth, ang ilahang sa ilahang kuan, kumbaga mura siya kung sa tao pa mura siya kanang Miss Universe. You're competing for the Miss Universe, something like that.
Okay, si Lucky is very cute. Can you share to us unsay mga interesting facts ni Lucky sa ato ang audience?
Yes, for the interesting facts ni Lucky, actually Lucky was born before, he was born in pandemic. And then wala yun tay open nga veterinarian nga modawat nato at for the emergency cases because it's all lockdown that time. So luckily na-born ni siya nga without a heartbeat. Nigawas jud ni siya nga without a heartbeat, and then luckily gi-resuscitate ni siya sa kanang veterinarian nato. Okay. And then we name him Lucky.
That's what
we name him Lucky. And then we didn't expect, at first we just campaigned him in the Philippines for making him Philippine champion like that, and then we didn't expect nga moabot ta worldwide.
Okay. So ma'am, this time ato ipakita sa atong audience ang kining award nga nadawat ni Lucky.
This is the best of breed. He got this best of breed for the Grand Prix, the first day of the show, Grand Prix Geneva. And then this is the second one sa specialty show. On the second day, he got it third siya sa second sa iyahang sa champion class. Yes.
So duha gyud ka awards.
Yes.
Iyahang nadawat. Okay, but may we know sa may inyong gibuhat during the competition?
For the competition, we usually...
Pwede na ito mapakita, ma'am? Sa show?
Okay, sure.
At least makita gyud sa ato ang mga viewers.
Okay. This is how we do it.
Okay, murag pang Miss Universe maka-affect.
Yes.
So, murampa ni siya or
yes,
mag-tricks
murampa
ni
ni
siya.
siya.
Okay, sige.
Lucky, come here. Lucky, come. just gonna do this.
So ang main criteria is actually so
to check.
kato mo lakaw jud siya
Okay.
inana unya inighunong niya mo stock siya unya mo hangad siya para makakita ang judge na alert jud siya na
Okay.
kana mo kuan jud siya og command inana. So mura ra jud siya kana Miss Universe na mo rampa ka magpakita ka unsa ka kakuan inana.
Yeah.
So, daghang salamat kayo, Ma'am Jaclyn. Pero giun sa pagkat-on ana ni Lucky. So, pila ka kuha na inyong practice?
Si Lucky, he has his trainer in Manila.
Are you
yeah,
trainer?
Yeah, nadyo ko'y Filipino. Actually, we went to World Dogshow Geneva. All Filipino mitanan. So, murag kami jud like the dog is a Philippine breed and then I am a Filipino breeder and then my handler is also a Filipino. So we went there together and then we didn't expect actually na makalusot mi didto kay it's competing against a lot of Pomeranians around the world also and they're also very very nice dogs there.
Isod kayo ang pagpili.
Yes.
Okay, finally, Ma'am, unsay ato ang mensaheng ato sa ato ang mga, especially sa ato mga fur moms?
For the fur moms, we just have to, you know, whether it is Aspen or the dogs with breeds, we just get to love them unconditionally. They will also, we just have to love them.
Okay.
And then, at the same time, they will also love you unconditionally then.
Okay, Sir Romeo, would you like to answer?
So what we could also advise from you, if you plan also to actually breed and then try to join a competition itself on what we did. So, sorry naka-English ko.
Oh, okay, sir. It's
Bisaya.
okay.
You could join mga fun match inana na sa diri sa Cebu. Actually, we also have upcoming kuan diri sa Cebu sad nasa tay mga dog shows. Oh,
That will be
within
October.
so sa October na ata sa Kennel Club of Cebu inana. So they could actually also join and then start campaigning their dogs inana. Yeah, later on that probably they will reach a certain point that they can actually also join internationally.
Okay, daghang salamat kay Ma'am Jaclyn and Sir Romeo for sharing your time with us dinhi sa GMA Regional TV Live. Ug mga kapuso, mobalik pa ang GMA Regional TV Live.